Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Today we're making one of those midwestern salads that's not really a salad. I love that midwestern mom. I love her. So here is the Michigan version of a Minnesota salad that's not really a salad. And don't forget to save the container for the famous Midwestern Tupperware.
Midwestern Tupperware. What we have to do. It's got to thaw some more, so I'm just going to crush it down, let it thaw a little bit. Put 2 down. Very good.
1 small package of orange Jello. As you can see, I bought it in bulk. So, yeah, that is what it is. But that is actually orange Jello, and it is a very orange Jello. And then you mix it right into your Cool Whip for a great orange salad. Make sure it gets all the way incorporated as much as possible all over, and make stirring it in so much easier if you can get it, coating the Cool Whip evenly. Yeah, these salads have a trick to them, That's the way they were made, the way they were. It's always best to make it the night before so that it can set up good too.
You don't use a full one like this. I use about that much of it. Okay. So it's actually a 16 ounce, and so I just go to that. But I take my cottage cheese and put it in my Oscar and smooth it instead of leaving it chunky.
Oh, that's so much better.
Some people don't like it chunky. They think it's gross in there. And one lady told me about that, a lady at the senior center. I'm like, that's a really good idea. Maybe don't. So it's a 16 ounce of Cool Whip, 16 ounce of cottage cheese. And then I just buy the big ones always because we use it so much. And if I use a little more, it's okay. We don't mind. But putting it in here creams it. It makes it so nice. Nice and creamy?
Beautiful and creamy.
Turns out nice.
Let's do it for 2 more seconds.
Get it out of there.
There, we made 10 seconds.
Turn it all. And before you put the fruit in, you do want to mix this first to get all the Jello dissolved. That's the big deal. And that's why having the Cool Whip thawed.
Makes it easier.
It's pretty thawed. It's thawed as I do this too. It's so pretty.
And it's very orange smelling from over here.
Oh, it's so good. I've never added coconut but thawed it on it. But I'm not gonna do it because I'm afraid if I do it, I won't like it either because it'd be too much in my teeth. And I just love this. And I know the kids love this, my grandsons. Kids. They're not kids, they're adults. But it's one they like a lot. There's Jello on the bottom, still gotta get mixed up. And you can do, they say to do it in the recipe. I think it says to do it in a 9x13, but it's thin and it's. I mean, it doesn't set up like a mold. It does not because of the way it is. I just do it with a bowl, like in a square dish that I can dish out of. Okay. And here. Do them together. So we're hoping to use the juice for something else. That is the plan. Okay. Nope, that's not the way they stay. Really, my knife again? That little famous knife. You got it right there. It says to use tidbits, but tidbits are like $1 more. These are my tidbits. Right.
I think I need to do some more zucchini pineapple and use them for this.
I've never had that.
Oh.
Gotta do it this year.
We'll do it this year.
Yeah, I'd like to.
Because if you love pineapple, all I do is
What a savings, huh?
I cut my zucchini into those little triangles like you're doing right there. And I can it in pineapple juice and you can't tell the difference.
That sounds great.
Especially in stuff like this where it's going to be all covered up and...
Yeah.
You know, I mean, you got to find pineapple juice when it's on sale, but...
Sounds good.
It's a lot cheaper than buying pineapple.
Yeah. Pineapple is buy one, get one free at Myers. Or buy one, get one for $1, I think, wasn't it? So if you canned your own pineapple, would it be worth it, I wonder?
Yeah, it is when it's that cheap.
Now, but what about the ripeness of it? Because it's never really, you gotta wait for it ripe. You know what I mean?
It's good.
I've never
Especially when you can it in its own juice. It makes it so much sweeter.
Okay.
And if you can get one of those really ripe, sweet Goldens.
It's hard to get them when they're really ripe this time of year. You gotta wait 3 or 4 days. And they never ripen all at the same time. Okay. It doesn't set up until mold. It won't sit up like that. It stays soft still. But it sets up
like a fluff.
Yeah, and that's why we call it a fluff. And you could, I guess, add marshmallows in there. I don't know, some people talk about that. I'm like, no, I don't want that in there. I don't need any more sugar in there. I just want this. This is a really nice, refreshing one. It's good for the summertime picnics. Oh my gosh, it's really good done. It's so refreshing.
Michigan salads that aren't really salads. All right, I'm not that Midwestern mom, but you know.
See, I think the reason they say to do it in a 13x9 because then it's thinner, so you get fruit in each one. Well, you do two here too. I mean, it works.
Yeah.
I just like it better with this one. Okay.
Hope you enjoy it, Rebel Canners. Go to Superb on the website and save 20% with the code RebelCanners20. Link is in the description. Like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.